No matter how difficult the problem, if you keep challenging yourself, you will always find a solution.
どんな難問でも挑戦し続ける限り必ず答えを見つけ出せる。
After years of struggling to develop a domestically produced rocket engine, Teikoku Heavy Industries faced a critical juncture. Discovering that a small company, Tsukuda Manufacturing, had developed a superior engine valve and obtained a patent, they realized they needed to make a bold decision. Tsukuda's dream of launching a rocket with his own engine was inspiring, and Zaizen believed that Teikoku could achieve a similar feat. Despite initial resistance, Zaizen passionately argued for purchasing Tsukuda's valves, emphasizing that perseverance had paid off for Tsukuda and that their technology was essential for the success of Teikoku's new rocket. After a challenging negotiation, Zaizen successfully convinced President Toma to approve the purchase. As he delivered the good news to Tsukuda, Zaizen echoed Tsukuda's earlier words, "No matter how difficult the problem, if you keep challenging yourself, you will always find a solution." Zaizen had not only achieved his goal but had also come to fully understand the power of perseverance.